So this is what you get when you buy Forest River. This camper's not even 4 weeks old. This hammering sound. The AC's not able to keep the camper cool. I've called Forest River, and despite the guy being nice, he said there's not really anything they can do other than to wait for somebody, a dealer, to try to do the repair. Among everything else that's broken or doesn't work, the tank, Gray Tank 2, reads full, but it's not. I've emptied it. The fireplace doesn't work. The tank doesn't work. That outlet is broken, and I told the dealer before I left, but they declined to fix it because I said I wasn't going to stay there overnight. It was 480 miles from my home, and I said I want to go home. And they said, well, you'll have to have a dealer fix it when you get there. The outside spigot doesn't work, and I forget, oh, that light doesn't work. The button is broke. Some of it's minor, some of it's major. Would I buy another one? If this is their quality control saying that, a manager looks at it when it doesn't work, their quality control doesn't work. I mean, really.